ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു PSC പെർഫെക്റ്റ് സ്റ്റഡി. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ വേറൊരു സെറ്റാണ്. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് താമസിക്കാതെ വീഡിയോയിലോട്ട് പോവാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, തിയറി എക്സ് ആൻഡ് തിയറി വൈ വാസ് സ്റ്റേറ്റഡ് ബൈ ഡാഷ്. ആൻസർ ഡഗ്ലസ് മാക്ഗ്രിഗർ. സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ, ചെക്ക് വിച്ച് ഈസ് ഇൻ സർക്കുലേഷൻ ഫോർ മോർ ദാൻ 3 months ഈസ് കോൾഡ് ഡാഷ്. ആൻസർ സ്റ്റെയിൽ ചെക്ക്. തേർഡ് വൺ, days of grace is allowed in the case of dash bills. Answer time bills. The drawee of a check is always a dash. Answer banker. Fifth one, trade discount is allowed by dash. Answer wholesaler. When money is deposited in the bank, the same will be entered in the bank column on the dash side of the cash book. Answer debit side. When a bill is dishonored, the account to be debited in the books of the acceptor is dash. Answer bills payable. The person on whom bill is drawn is called dash. Acceptor or drawee. Management by objective and self-control was advocated by. Answer Peter F. Drucker. Next one, deposit and advances of a commercial bank should be for a dash period. Answer short period. Dash is the biggest commercial bank in India. Answer SBI. Debtors ledger is also called dash. Answer sales book. A bank reconciliation statement is prepared to reconcile the difference in dash. Answer cash book and passbook. Cost of land purchased is an example of dash expenditure. Answer capital expenditure. The dash system imposes strict control over small payments. Answer imprest system. The remark that man is a wandering animal. ഇത് പറഞ്ഞത് എബ്രഹാം എച്ച് മലോ. The additional time allowed for making payment on a bill is known as dash. Answer days of grace. Drawing two parallel lines across the face of a check is called dash. Answer crossing. Next one, clearing houses are managed by dash. Answer Reserve Bank of India. Next one, where rent is paid cash, dash account is debited. Answer rent account. The left hand side of an account is called dash side. Answer debit side. In a cash book with a discount column, the discount allowed is recorded on dash. Answer debit side. Dash is necessary in case of promotion. Answer job appraisal. A check is always drawn on dash. Answer a specified banker. The book that record small payment is called dash. Answer petty cash book. Favorable balance as per cash book means dash in the bank column of the cash book. Answer debit balance. When money is withdrawn from the bank, dash the concerned account is in its book. Answer debit. The excess withdrawal from the bank is termed as dash. Answer overdraft. Dash is the first step in planning. Answer determination of objectives. Short-term loans and advances given by central bank to the government is called dash. Answer ways and means of advance. A bill is dishonored if it is now accepted within dash hours from the time of presentment of it is not paid. Answer 48 hours. Noting charges are paid in the event of dash a bill. Answer, dishonor of a bill. If a transaction neither affects cash nor individual or institution, it is called a dash transaction. Answer, outside. A projected course of action is called a dash. Answer, rule. The most perfect liquid asset of a bank is dash. Answer, cash in hand. The primary relation between a banker and a customer is that of dash. Answer, debtor and creditor. The Banking Regulation Act was passed in the year dash. Answer, 1949. A trial balance will list the balance of all ledger account and the dash book. Answer, cash book. A person who owes money to the firm is a dash. Answer, debtor. The word communication originates from the Latin word dash. Answer, commune. The Bank of England came in the year dash. Answer, 1694. Next one, an instrument of credit which passed freely between a person is called a dash. Answer, negotiable instrument. 14 major banks were nationalized in the year dash. Answer, 1969. Sales book is used to record dash sales. Answer, credit sales. Debtors ledger contain the accounts of dash. Answer, credit sales. The excess of income over expenditure represent dash. Answer, surplus. Determination of dash is essential to exercise effective control over cost. Answer, standard in respect of each item of cost. Determination of standard in respect of each item of cost is essential to exercise effective control over cost. Cooperative Development Fund is maintained in dash bank. Answer, State Cooperative Bank. Fixed deposit are also called dash. Answer, time deposit. A check which bears a date before the date of issue is called dash. Answer, antedated check. ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ 50 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിനകത്ത് ഓപ്ഷൻസ് വന്നിട്ടില്ല, അല്ലാതുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കിയാൽ മതി, അറിയാവോ എന്ന് ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുക. അതേപോലെ ആൻസറിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കമൻ്റായിട്ടൊന്ന് ഇട്ടേക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ കറക്ഷൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് പിൻ ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചേക്കാം.